Hey friends, what's going on out there? So it's April 9th and it snowed again. I thought maybe we were out of the woods, but not quite apparently in Kenosha, Wisconsin. So we got white stuff on the ground. It does look kind of beautiful though, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna make two of these superfood shakes instead of one. Because I'm not sure I'm gonna be home much today. Probably out most of the day. And I just like having these on me. Great for energy, keeps my focus going. Good morning, person who just signed in. I need to grab some oatmeal. 1 second. Raw oatmeal. I never cook it. I haven't in a couple of years since I discovered they're starch resistant. And then when I learned what starch resistance was, I'm like, oh, this is much better than cooked oatmeal. So always raw. And by the way, put it in both of my shakes. By the way, a little later this morning, shortly after this live feed is done, I'm going over to my house and I'm going to give you guys an update. The painting is largely done, I think. I don't know if they're going to be painting the front door because it's kind of an eyesore now, or if they're going to be replacing the front door. I'm not really sure. So I think I'm going to find out today. And then I'll show you the painted rooms. And it should look pretty cool, you know, some more progress. And then I know the floors aren't down yet, so I'll do another video after the floors are down. And that might be the final video of the finished product, so I'm looking forward to that. I gotta put some chia seeds in these shakes. It's Monday morning, nobody is here. Except one bump on a log. Hello, bump on a log. You can say something if you wish, or be a bump on a log, it's up to you. Putting some good old chia seeds. Love chia seeds, always organic. And I like to do a drop of cinnamon bark oil. Just one because it's got 500 times the concentration of regular cinnamon. Superfood for the pancreas. I also like organic, true cayenne pepper powder. It's not only medicinal, but I love the heat. And for a white boy, I can take a lot of heat. Lots of heat. Oh, that is so good. Yummy, yummy. And I think the only other thing I'm going to add is a whole base to this whole thing. Hi, Lily. I like my superfood shake mix in powder form because when it's in powder form, I have complete control over how thin or thick or rich or weak that I want it. Today I want it kind of thick and rich, so I'm going to use a lot. Absolutely. Yum. Also, I like this particular brand because it's raw, it's never been heated, so the food is living. And some shakes, some superfood blends are much better than others, like night and day. If you want to see the one I'm using, message me or comment here and I'll just give you the direct link for it. Let's see here. And with full disclosure, if you buy it, you decide to try it, see if you like it, I make a little commission from it. Full disclosure. I've been doing it for many years. Where's the blender? Ah, here it is. Okay, let's put this on. I got 2 of them to go. Lily, you're gonna be a bump in a log. Just a bump. Not gonna say anything. Oh Well, Lily, the next time I message you, I'm just going to refer to you as a bump in a log. And you'll be like, what are you talking about? And I'll be like, you're on my video, you didn't say anything. My live feed. Okay, that's 2 down, 0 to go. So I'm set for the day. 2 of them today. 1 second. 5 seconds. And that's it. Just put these little caps on. Jumped out of my hand. All right. First one. Second one. All right, that's 2. Ready to go. All right. And one important thing I'm doing today, I'm meeting with my lawyer to deed my house over into my Clean Living Rentals name. That's an important step. All right. I'm going to go ahead and sign off now. Got my stuff done. Hi, Corey. Hi, Lily. Good morning. So if you missed it, have no fear. You can go back on my page and watch it. All right, everybody. Take care. And make out kisses. And more make out kisses. I'll do another live feed soon from my house with an update on what it looks like through the construction project. Bye for now.